Write down the minimum value of the function defined by y is equal to cos to the power 4x plus sine squared x times cos squared x over 1 plus sine x. But if we check, we just prove that this expression is equal to 1 minus sine x. Okay, let me just try to write it here. This whole expression is just same as 1 minus sine x, because we just proved that in question 521. So y is equal to 1 minus sine x, right, which is just same as y is equal to negative sine x plus 1. Right, now this is very easy. Now what is the minimum value for negative sine x? We must know the basic graphs, basic trig graphs. Right, what is the minimum value? The minimum value of negative sine x is what? Is negative 1. I'll just show you now using the function. It's negative 1. Then negative 1 plus 1 is what? Is 0. So the minimum value of this function becomes 0. Let me show you using the graph. Right, you know the basic graphs, isn't it? For the sine graph. Let me start with the sine graph, which is like this. And then at 90, it is at 1. And then 180, it is at 0. 270 is at negative 1. And then 360 is 0. Okay, right. So we have this. This is the maximum being 1. And then the minimum being negative 1. But now we have negative sine x, which is the reflection of this graph about the x-axis. Okay, this is the x-axis. So it's a reflection of this graph about the x-axis. So it means negative sine x is going to be like this. The minimum there being negative 1. Then the maximum being 1, like that. Okay, and then now plus 1 means this graph is shifted upwards by 1 unit, so it becomes something like this. So now the minimum becomes 0. It moved from negative 1 to 0, so that's why I'm saying the minimum is 0 there.